Hello everybody, my name is Kévin Zwygart. I'm a French pastry chef from La Maison de l'Excellence, the intern culinary training center of Saventia Fromage and Dairy. And this week I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, in the school Le Cordon Bleu Dusit for two collective demonstrations, one on Wednesday and the other one tomorrow with the students. So at the beginning, pastry making was not really part of my daily basis. I have to say it was first of all when I was a teenager, kind of a hobby. And I graduated into French literature and foreign languages such as English, and I attended to La Sorbonne University for a year. But after that, you know, like my father being a chef with his own restaurant, I kind of grew up in a kitchen, started pastry making studies at Ferrandi, then at CFA Médéric, and it's been roughly 10 years now that I'm doing pastry, 5 years that I'm working for Olivier Professional at Saventia, and roughly more than 3 years that I'm working occasionally on the international sector, traveling around in Middle East, Asia, even the Caribbean sometimes, and French Polynesia for my first travel, which I'm very grateful for. We host international events in our Maison de l'Excellence lab, but have between 8 and 12 weeks a year to travel abroad and to visit our distributors, partners and customers, of course. Well, I don't really know pretty much about the renowned pastry chef status, but otherwise what inspired me to work on a daily basis at La Maison de l'Excellence is all the teamwork. And I would consider myself as the Swiss Army knife. I'm not the sharpest blade like the Japanese katana, but I'm very multi-skilled on several fields, such as pastry making, of course, with all the viennoiserie and the cake making, but also on all the digital stuff, on the planning, on the method, on the contents. We do a lot of video recipe at La Maison de l'Excellence, which I'm very excited to show during the demo. And then I'm also in charge of the database recipe that we have at La Maison de l'Excellence, which is the core of all the knowledge that we have in terms of sharing many recipes and ideas to our customers. Sure, so during the following demonstration that happened today and tomorrow, I'm going to make one special recipe, which is the coconut and pineapple galette. So this one is a special recipe that I made for Asia and especially for Thailand, because I know here that ground almond can be expensive. So with my chef Nicolas Boussin, we've worked on a special filling, the coconut frangipane, using a lot of coconut, powdered coconut instead of the ground almond. And we also add some caramelized cubes of pineapple to make something a little bit with the roasted notes of the coconut, a bit wooden, fresh as well, with lime zest, and also something really comfortful with the caramelized pineapple, very mellow and with a lot of taste. The first tip that I will easily tell is that this is pastry making is hard. It's something that as a professional you always have to foresee a little bit some hardships about the production, about the method, about the ingredients, about the weather and about the equipment. So you have to understand that from day one you will be confronted to hardships and to let's say some items on which you have to work on about finding to be solution oriented. Okay, it's all about the pastry making. It is a job in which from very common shapes like sugar, flour, eggs, something that are not proper shape, we are going to make something beautiful, something with texture, something with a nice visual. So it takes a lot of time to learn all that skills. And it might be tough sometimes being a part of a working team into restaurant, into pastry shops. Sometimes you have a lot of work, you have a lot to pull through, but it took me, I think, around 8 years to be really to feel very comfortable with my skill. So it's been a long training period, and I really consider that I'm learning every day. Something I want to tell about the excellence and the expertise. Being an expert is not knowing perfectly your job, but it's also all about understanding all the reasons, all the things that could have failed that leads you to the right way, to the right method. So it's not about the one way to succeed, but it's also about knowing all the background of the other options that can lead you to failure, so that you can know, you can give some advice, you can be more aware of your lab, being aware of your ingredients, of your team, to make sure that everything is on the way for the batch making. Okay, so I'd like to thank everybody from Le Cordon Bleu Dusit school for helping. I'm thinking about the teachers, of course, the bakers, the pastry chefs, but also all the students who give me a lot of help these past few days. Maybe if I had to conclude and to put in a nutshell all what I've said, like believe in yourself, in your skills, be open-minded, and try to learn most of possible. Listen to your advisor, to your teachers, to your chef. It's always good advice and helpful. And cling to your dreams and believe it in yourself.